forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs.
Ola Wafetu, Coach KB here with the Brajabu, discussing Bafana versus Angola, 22 of December, 7 o'clock or 7:30 to be precise.
Yes, yes.
Brajabu, I want us to try and break down the starting lineup,
Yeah.
or the predicted starting lineup.
Yeah.
Normally, we start the starting lineup at the back, but I want us to change it.
Okay.
And just to hear what you think. Let's start at the top.
Yeah.
Why am I starting at the top? Most of South Africans are saying we don't have a lethal striker, a proven striker. You see, hence why I think majority had hope that Orenas would go there. He looks like he's a better finisher. Between the two, or the records says that. So we've got Evidence Mahoba, and then we've got Olail Foster, the EPL boy.
Ish.
Who's your starter for Angola?
Hey, we need result. I'll say Mahopa.
You'll go for Mahopa.
Yeah, I'm still not convinced on Lyle Foster, because I think that's a player that has been given many chance into that Bafana lineup. I'm not happy with his work rate.
Okay, but one can argue and say, if you look at the number of games that he has played versus Mahopa. Remember last season we couldn't have him, or the last AFCON because of mental issues.
Yeah.
But one would come and say, but he's a better finisher.
Yeah.
You see, if you versus him, Mahopa. I think Mahopa for me is one of the best center forward, if not striker, because of his work rate, you see. So I'm just saying, people might argue that no, Foster would. The chances that Mahopa would miss, Foster would kill them.
Yeah.
But your preferred is Mahopa, like you say.
Yeah, it's Mahopa.
And then we're going on the sides, the wingers. You have Mohaung Kota, you have Ozwin Apolis, you have Moremi, you have, who's the other guy from Saudi Arabia? Elias Nkwana.
Yeah.
I'm tempted to throw Rile Mufokeng in there.
Yeah.
Because I think his natural position is...
Yeah,
and you
sure.
can only start with two,
unfortunately. The rest will be at the bench.
So I'm going to throw in Rile Mufokeng there as well.
Yeah.
So who do you start with on the sides?
I think Rile should start the game.
Okay.
Rile and Apolis should start the game.
Apolis.
Because I'm looking at the intensity of that game. And my thinking is actually telling me that from the first whistle, we need to be, because we can't be sitting at the back. Sit at the back for what? So I think that's where you need your wingers to actually do the work. And I'll go with Rile, and I think I'll pair Rile with Apolis.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then if Rile is starting, then it means your obvious number 10 is Chef.
Yeah. Hey, I can't wait to see Chef at the AFCON. I cannot wait, because I think he accepted the fact that he has been given a second chance in life. You see, once you accept that, of course, I made a lot of mistakes in my life, and here is a second opportunity that is presenting itself. If there's a person that has accepted that situation with both hands, it should be Master Chef.
Is this guy I'm getting close to? 10-10.
Yeah.
Gola.
Yes.
That guy, I think he reads too much books.
Oh yeah.
He says
he's an intellectual.
Yeah, he's very intellectual.
Yeah,
he says to me, no. The problem with Master Chef was not the behavior or was not anything. He says if a plant is planted in the right soil,
then it will nourish. Of course, it will.
So
I to a large extent I agree. I mean, you are wanted by teams while you are playing for SuperSport. Everybody wants a piece of you. I remember even your likes of Kaizer Chiefs were behind his signature. Then on the 11th hour, the player surfaces at Chlorocop. He has been signed by Sundowns. He plays but for whatever reason, then the player is on the bench, it disappeared. All those things now will lead to you not behaving in a proper manner, because you know that you are good at what you are doing, and then the same person who has decided to employ you is now frustrating you. You know, the last issue that Mamelodi Sundowns has done was to take him to Polokwane now.
To Sekhukhune.
To go and play for Sekhukhune. Take nothing away from Sekhukhune, but I mean, if you do that to MasterChef, it's more like you are posing a serious vote of no confidence. And I think that killed him, like, completely. So he should be grateful that Pirates came to the party. And I'm sure they might have spoken to him, that the chief, we're giving you a chance, but should we hear of any uncalled for behavior, you should know that we would have tried as a team. So I think the guy has taken the opportunity. And that's why he's playing like there's no player that is happier like Mbuli in a whole country. MasterChef is very happy. You see him at the airport. You see him in the dressing room. He's singing with others. He will wear
no drinking issues.
Yeah, no drinking issues. He will wear Mbogazi's clothes and parade there like a binga. That chap is very happy. You can see that it's a person that is behaving like he was in a cell and now he has been unleashed. So I think the chap is actually ready for that big stage.
Yeah, maybe the move wasn't perfect, or maybe he went to the Sundowns at the wrong team.
Yeah, maybe at the wrong time. At the wrong time,
because
yeah.
that was a well-started team, but moving along, not to drag.
Yeah, sure.
You're looking at the central pairing, where in South Africa nowadays we call it the double pivot.
Yeah.
Who do you go for? You've got what? You've got Mrembola, you have Yaya Sithole,
yeah.
You have Batusi Obas, you have Mbata.
Yeah.
Who do you start with there?
I will say Mokoena. Yeah, Mokoena is a pillar of that center. I will say Mokoena, and then I'm conflicted between Mbata and Sithole. You see, I like Mbata, but then Sithole will sometimes help us with aerial balls,
defensive
especially side. That holistically in a country we don't do well when it comes to set pieces. So a bit of a height is quite needed. But Mbata is quite, I don't know. I'm conflicted between the two. But I can Mokoena. It's a must. And then maybe Sithole. And then in the second half, maybe we can introduce. Depending on the results.
That's a very interesting position.
We can then introduce Mbata.
Or vice versa.
Or vice versa. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you're going on the right back and the left back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you've got Aubrey.
Yeah.
You've got Kabini, and then you have the boy from Polokwane,
Matuludi.
You have Vurvai Mudau. Yeah.
Right back Mudau. Make no mistake, one of the best in the continent.
Yeah. In the absence of Hakim, for me, the best in Africa.
Yeah, well, I'll say Mudau because Mudau is not conflicted. He doesn't play anywhere. He plays here at home. So I'll go for Mudau any day. My brother, that boy can play football. Yeah, that boy is just unfortunate that he's not finding himself playing in overseas in Europe. But I think we've got one of the best.
And rumor has it that he doesn't want to renew. And hey, your team. But let's move on. The left side.
Yeah, well, sometimes if a player doesn't want to play, allow him to leave and join the team of his choice, because you remember at some stage we saw, players resigning. That situation is informed by the fact that maybe a team will stand on the player's wish and aspirations. If the player doesn't want to play for you anymore, release that player. I understand, of course, there are contractual issues and stuff,
and all those things,
but release him. Even with a Sailor, let him go and play where he wants to play, and you'll see the best player.
Okay.
Because players comes and go anyway. Yeah. So I'll have him on the right back. Yeah.
And then on the left side,
I'll have Modiba.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I'll pair Modiba with Mbogazi. And then maybe I'll have Sibisi. Yeah, that will be my back four.
I think the goalkeeper is not even a question.
The goalkeeper, Ronza is still fine.
Okay.
There are a bit of mistakes, like we
Yeah,
have
here and there.
previously alluded,
Yeah.
but I will still say Ronza. And maybe in other games, because I mean the first game is quite important. The second, you need only 3 points there to find yourself in the
One leg inside.
one leg inside. So
Yeah,
I'll say the first game is quite a pivotal game. Let's win that game, and then let's see the next game.
Yeah, well, for me, the starting lineup, I'll start at the back now. Now that you have held,
Yeah.
yeah, I think we're gonna start with the captain. I
Yeah.
think it's no question.
No.
Ronza. I think even the two goalkeepers, they know it's
Yes,
Ronza ahead
yes,
of
yes.
anyone.
Yeah.
And then going on the right, like I said, in the absence of Akim, I think Vurva is the best in the continent.
Number one.
So we have Vurva there, and
Yeah.
then the central pairing. That's a big question for me, and I'll tell you why. I'm a big fan of combination.
Oh yeah.
And I think the combination of Mbogazi and CBC has proven to be very successful.
Yeah.
As much as we saw Usiema playing match games with Mbogazi.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I haven't seen Mbogazi with
Mudiba.
no, the former Kaizer Chiefs, Ngezani,
Oh, Ngezani.
playing together for the longest time.
No. Yeah.
So I'd go for CBC
Yeah, no,
and
sure.
then Mbogazi.
Mm.
And then on the left, I'll go for Mudiba because Mudiba gives us a lot.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I know there's a lot of criticism in his marking and all that, but he gives us
Yeah, he gives us a
too
lot.
much
a
besides
lot.
marking. And
Yeah.
he's got Mbogazi to
Yeah.
cover. And then on the central, the double pivot,
Yeah.
the most kept player, Mukwena.
Mm.
I will pair him. I'll start him with Mbata.
With Mbata.
Yeah, the only concern I have about Mbata is I feel like he's not consistent. He doesn't play throughout the game.
Yeah.
He plays with moments.
Yeah, then
But
he will
when-
disappear somewhere
and then
somehow,
come back.
then
Yeah.
come back.
But what I love about him is when he gets that moment, he
Yeah.
hits that record.
Yeah, sure.
He hits that and then he hits in the back of the net. And then hopefully, if we go in the first half leading, you can bring in Batuze or Yaya Seton.
Yes.
I think Yaya has not been the same player ever since that injury.
That injury, no, is not.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
see, where we are differing is on the sides. I love Urile Mufukeng,
Yeah.
but I've seen Apolis at that national team playing on the left side.
Yeah.
I would have Apolis 10
We're spoiled for
1.
choice.
Yeah, so
Eish.
what I would do, I'd have Apolis.
Yeah.
And then on the other side, I'll go with. I've seen Moremi, man, playing at Pirates is playing very well. But the disadvantage I've picked up with Moremi is he plays very well when he's on the left.
Yeah.
And that's where Apolis performs very well. That's where he flourishes, just like Urile. So I'll have Apolis and then Nkota.
Got on the side.
Yeah, and then I'll have Master Chef starting.
Yeah.
I love the arrogance, the good arrogance in Chef.
Yeah.
I saw him against Ghana.
Yeah, no.
That guy calls the ball in the middle of 4 players. So give me the ball.
Bring it here.
Yeah, I remember him shouting Ubatus. It's like, why are you kicking for
Iletala.
ball? And it reminds me of the interview, Figo, where he said at training at Skukuni, he would say, if you want to win, play in my team.
Yeah.
And that's what he would do during training. You see, so I'd have Master Chef starting. I'll start with Mwanaseisi, mainly because you look at the combination of that front three.
Yeah.
You put him there. Apolis has played with Mwanaseisi.
Yeah, sure.
Nkota, as much as he has left, but
he
still knows how they
he-
play. So that
the
front,
DNA is that of
you
the
see, that
previous
front
team.
four,
Yeah.
they've played together. The
Yeah, sure.
understanding is there. So that would be my lineup.
Yeah,
and then bring in Urile where they least expect him.
Yeah.
Because you can bring him as a wing. Like he gives you decisions. But if you start Rile, for me, the disadvantage of starting Rile, Apolis, and Mbuli is when you take off Mbuli, you are forcing Rile, who has already been playing, to go play at the
But
number
also
10
just
position.
imagine Rile on the bench. Eish.
No, that's good. Jersey number 10 coming in as a sub.
Yeah.
And then he comes in, we are 1-1 or we are 1-0 up.
Yeah.
You'll definitely get free kicks. You'll get penalties. And
Yeah.
he has a goal in here.
Yeah, but maybe
So-
it's still fine when it comes at the second
At the
half.
second half, It's always, like you're saying, we're spoiled for choice.
Yeah, no, we're spoiled for
So
choice.
this is
You
a
don't know.
well-balanced team.
I think the coach is confused wherever he is, but he has been working with these players. He knows what to do.
Yeah.
I trust Hugo Bros. I can tell you now.
Yeah, no.
People are going to see flames.
In Madala, we believe.
Yeah,
and
we believe.
I think that's how we wrap it up. Just rounding up the starting lineup, the final predicted starting lineup from me.
Yeah.
I'll just mention where we differ. Ronza in the in goals.
Yes.
Mutawu right back. Mudiba left. Mbogazi and Sibisi.
Yes.
Apolis, that's where we differ.
Yeah.
You said Apolis and Relay. I'm saying Apolis and
Moremi.
Moremi.
Yeah.
Moremi.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying Nkota.
Oh, Nkota,
Apolis
okay.
and Nkota.
All right.
Relay on the bench. And then the central pairing will go from the most capped
Mokoena.
player Mokoena and
And
Mbata.
Yusuf Mbata, yeah.
Yeah, and then starting up police up front. I stick with you. I
Yeah.
go with Mwanasesi Hopadosi.
Yeah, because he gives you a lot.
Yeah.
Mahopa gives you a lot. Even when you need him to come
Defensive.
and defend, he will do that, and he will press the opposition for the entire 90 minutes. Even if it goes to extra time, that chap doesn't get tired.
Closing remarks and the prediction, Bra Jabu.
I see us winning that game 2-0, and well, I'm appealing to all South Africans to rally behind the team. This is our team at the end of the day. Let us just be united and support the boys. And wherever they are, I know they are already in Morocco. They should know that the whole flag, South African flag, is behind them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you, Brajabu, for your time. And then in closing, like you said, I think we will win the game 2-0 as well. And all the best to Bafana Bafana.
Yeah,
and
sure.
I think the message is out there. Yes, we do banter, but let's banter with love and respect.
Yeah, no. In Bafana, there's no banter.
Yeah.
We should be united as the country.
In Bafana, we believe.
Yeah,
Aries.
sure.